and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing the US Key Vision smartphone microphone light video kit for a vlog. So that's what it looks like. I'm super excited. So basically it comes with a light as well as a microphone, and it's suitable for any smartphone, they say. So let's check it out. Yay! I love that it comes with an awesome case. This is great for when you travel with it, when you need to go around and bring your awesome kit with you. And it's a nice hard one too. Awesome. Okay, so it's nice and padded too. It's like professional. Cool. Okay, so first, it comes with a stand. Just like that. Second, this thing attaches to the stand. Third, this is the microphone. Wow, it's like a legit microphone. Okay, next you have your phone holder. And so you want to attach that to that, but first you want to change it so that it's like that, and then tighten it up. And then screw this on to here. Okay, next you want to install the video light on the phone clamp. So this slides on top like this. So you want to loosen this up a little bit to give it some room there. You want to slide it onto here like that. And then you can tighten downward. That's the light. Wait, why is this pointing down? I'm gonna just loosen this and then point this upward so that the clamp, oh, you know what? The light should probably be facing this way as well. Flip it around and then tighten it again. This way, when your phone is here, your light is also here. That way we can install this on top here. Once again, loosening it up, sliding it right in, and then tightening it. All right, and then this is gonna hold the microphone. I'm gonna snap it on. There we go. Next, it comes with some different types of puffs. So if you want this or this kind of noise reducer, that's up to you. I'm just gonna use this one for now. Since this one is more for like outdoor use where there's like wind and different stuff that you want to muffle. Since we're just indoors, this will suffice. It's like giving your little microphone some clothes, and then you just slide it on top. All right, there we go. Oh, it looks so legit. Ooh. Okay, it's on. Yeah, you see that? Okay. That's already comes charged, but it could definitely use more because I can see from the back end when you turn it on, that means that it's like low battery and it needs to be charged. It comes with a cord that's what you charge the light with. And then this button, it says push right here. So this actually allows you to slide your cell phone or whatever it is in nicely, and then you can just, it locks in place wherever you want. Next, you need to hook everything up. So it comes with two cords. This one, let's use this one. So this one hooks up to the back of your mic, and then this one would go into your phone, which will be right here. Of course, you can also use this one as well, but there's just more give here just in case. Oh, you know what? This cord is actually for camcorders and stuff like that. And this cord without this little thing is actually for smartphones. That's a differentiation of what you use. So I'm actually gonna take this off because I'm gonna use it with a smartphone. All right, so the final step, we're just gonna plug this. And over here, it shows you actually which side is the phone and which side should be side of the microphone. So this is plugged into your phone. And tighten that. But here is the final look. And then you can set it off anywhere, and then turn it on, and then start recording. If you would like to purchase this vlog kit, make sure to check out the links below. And for more product reviews, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about this vlog kit, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.